All right, this is part 2 of the answer key to the study guide. On this side, we need to compare two measurements, saying if they are less than, or equal. So this says 63 centimeters, and this is 6 meters. How do I know which one is bigger? Because they're different units. I need to convert. So I could say, since I know there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, I could multiply this by 100 and say, well, that's 600 centimeters. And 600 is greater than 63. 63 is less than 600. I could also convert this to meters. If I move my decimal place 2 places back, 0.63 meters is less than 6 meters. 17. Well, I know that there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So I could divide this by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. I move my decimal place, and I find that's 0.508 grams. And that is definitely less than 5. Let me double check. 5 grams is equal to 5,000 milligrams, and 5,000 is definitely more than 508, so this is greater than. I know that there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So if I change this to a liter, I will divide by 1,000. I'll get 1.5 liters. That's equal. Or if I convert this to milliliters, I'll multiply by 1,000, and I will get 1,500 milliliters. Now this one we don't use much. Deca, there are, how does it go? 1 centimeter is actually 1/10 of a decameter. There are 10 centimeters in 1 decameter. So you might not have that memorized, and that's okay. So number 10 is a little special. But I would move this decimal place back 1. This is 53.6 decameters, which is equal to 53.6 decameters. Or if I wanted to multiply this one by by 10, I would get 536 centimeters, which is equal to 536 centimeters. So if you didn't get that, that's okay. But these you should get, because you know there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So let's multiply 5 by 1,000. I know that 5,000 is bigger than 43. Or I could divide this by 1,000. And I know that 5 is bigger than 0.043. So this should be less than. And here, I know that 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So I can multiply this by 100. And I know that 3,600 is bigger than 36. Or I could divide that by 100 and get, 0.36 meters. I'll do part 3 below in another video.